Welcome back to NeetGPT. In this tutorial, we'll walk through student registration, getting every learner set up in seconds. On the front page, click Get Started. If you don't see it immediately, give the page carousel a moment. It will cycle through and reveal the button. Next, under Create Your Account, choose Student Registration. Enter your username, for example, Ravi. Next, your full name, like Ravi Sharma. Create a password and confirm it. Then provide your phone number and your email, sravi@gmail.com. Select your class, for example, 11, and section, like A. Enter your roll number and date of birth, example 15, August 2005. Then select your gender, male, and preferred language, English. Finally, click Register as Student, and you are all set. You will receive a confirmation email with your login credentials. Congratulations, your student account is now live. Log in to take quizzes, track your progress, and master NEET with our AI powered tools. If this walkthrough helped, please like, share, and subscribe for more NEET GPT tips. See you in the next video.